Hello students, so we were discussing the use of echoes in the last video, and as we have discussed why ultrasonic waves are used because they have got some extra properties. Then the use of echoes by bats, dolphins and fishermen we were discussing in the last video. As we have discussed how bats make use of echoes, how dolphins make use of ultrasonic waves and the echo method for hunting their prey and for obstacle detection. Similarly, trawlermen or fishermen, they use ultrasonic pulse source. How? Their ships or their boats are equipped with a device which has got source of signal, which are ultrasonic signals, as well as a detector in that equipment. Now when ultrasonic waves are sent, uh, they get reflected from the obstacle as well as from shoal of fish. Now they make an idea when the detected sound is received, the idea of distance of that shoal of fish or of any obstacle, that idea is made by them. Now they target their net towards the shoal of fish by the estimation of that distance, how much distant is that shoal of fish from their boat or from their ships. So the to and fro journey of the pulse is recorded and the distance is calculated by the same method, d is equals to vt upon t. But here the v value, the sound's speed in seawater is used, that is 1400 meter per second. Then the use of echoes by sonar. Now what is sonar? Sonar is a device, and sonar method, for sonar the full abbreviation is sound, navigation and ranging. The other device which is used in air is radar, which use radio waves, and the radar's full form is radio detection and ranging. So sonar working is similar to that of a trawlerman's equipment. How? First of all, where is it used? It is used by the Navy, Indian Navy, to find the submarines, icebergs or sunken ship of submarines of enemy, iceberg or sunken ships, and sonars are also equipped in the Navy ships or in the submarines of the Navy. Now what happens that, see, in a sonar again the basic equipment is the same, the transmitter, that is a source of sound, and the receiver with the ship. Now the waves are sent and they are reflected back from the obstacle and received back. Now again the distance is estimated, that's why the word ranging has come here. Ranging means to find the range of that obstacle, of that distant object. So again the distance is calculated, and the depth of the sea or the depth of the iceberg can be, or an enemy submarine can be ranged out. So this process is also called echo depth sounding. Now a similar process is used in radar. Now radars, as I told you, radar is radio, RA means radio, detection, D stands for detection, and ranging. Now the echo method is used to detect the presence of obstacle and also to find its range. A signal of EM waves, electromagnetic, such as radio waves or microwaves, is sent in space, where which after reflection from the obstacle may be an enemy's aeroplane, and return back to the radar itself, and the range of that obstacle is calculated or estimated by using sonar or radar, right? So both sonar and radar, in both these devices, transmitter and receiver, they are placed very close to each other, and here in the picture they are shown separated. Why they are shown separated? Just for your clarity, that's it. Otherwise they are very close to each other. Then the third use of echo is in the medical field. How? You must have heard about the sonography, ultrasonography. We generally call it ultrasound. Now what is ultrasonography? In ultrasonography, the ultrasonic waves are sent inside the human body. When they are sent, they get reflected back from the organs like liver, gallbladder, uterus, etc. Now when they are reflected back, they are received back the shape of those waves when reflected back, they trace the picture of the internal organ, and that picture can be seen on the screens of the CRTs which are attached with the device, and that is called sonography, ultrasonography. That is, those graphs, those pictures tell us the condition of the internal organs, even the stones which are present in gallbladder, or there is some malfunctioning of a internal organ due to some disease that can be traced out. Similarly, echocardiography, ECG we generally call it, this also make use of ultrasonic waves where the image of human heart is obtained, and graphy word is always used for imaging, and heartbeat is traced, heart's waves which are coming, they are traced, and if there is any malfunctioning of heart, any problem in the functioning of heart, that can be easily traced by the doctors. So this was the use of echoes in medical field. I hope you understood this topic. Please read all these topics and watch the video again if you want some clarity, and please learn these topics thoroughly. Thank you so much.